In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to your videos using CapCut. Whether you're creating content for social media, a project, or just for fun, having the right soundtrack can make all the difference in setting the tone and mood of your video. So let's dive in and make your visuals sing. To begin, open CapCut on your device. Once you're in, you'll see an option labeled New Project. Go ahead and tap on that to get started. This action will bring you to a page where you can select the video you want to work with. Choose the video and load it into your timeline. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be layering different elements, including audio, over your video track. Now let's focus on adding the music. At the top of your screen, there's an audio button. Tap on it. This selection will present you with several options for adding music. You can choose from sounds available within the app, your files uploaded directly into CapCut, or extracted audio from other sources. Your choice here depends on where you've stored your music or what type of soundtrack you want to integrate. Once you've decided the source of your music, browse through the available tracks and tap on the one that fits your video the best. Take a moment to listen through a few options if you have them, ensuring that the music complements your visuals effectively. After you've made your selection, you'll notice a plus sign on the screen. Tap this plus sign to add your chosen music track to your timeline. With the music now added, it's time to adjust it to match your video perfectly. You can do this by dragging the music clip to the desired spot on the timeline. If the music is longer than your video or starts later than you would like, you can trim it down. Gently drag the edges of the music clip to either start or finish at the right moment, ensuring that the transitions feel seamless. Throughout the process, feel free to preview your video to make sure everything aligns the way you envision. If the music volume feels too loud or soft, you can adjust the levels within the timeline settings to strike the perfect balance between your video and audio components. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your video using CapCut. By following these steps, your project will come alive with the added emotion and atmosphere that music provides. Editing is all about experimentation, so don't hesitate to try different tunes and adjustments until you find the one that perfectly complements your creative vision. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.